rain. Oh, that looks like my poo-poo. What the fuck? What do you want? This video is over. Hello everyone! Say something. And welcome back to my ice cream factory. So today I'm gonna do another cooking video. Is this cooking? Is this called cooking?
This is ice cream making.
I'm gonna do another making video. And in this video, I'm actually gonna make ice cream. I'm baking ice cream. I saw on YouTube this video of a woman making her cat's ice cream. And I really got inspired by this. She did this little thing with the, you know, the ice cream rolls, which you always see in those videos on Facebook. She made this ice cream for her cats with like strawberries and like special cat cream, whatever that was. It was just the cutest video ever. I'm gonna link it down below. It's just really cute. And I was like, I want to make ice cream for my cats too. And I also want to make ice cream rolls because that looks really special. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do this, but I'll try. But of course, I also don't want to just make ice cream for my cats. I also want to make human ice cream
for me.
And for me.
So everyone, we're in my hallway again, and that means we're gonna get down to some business. So can anyone please zoom out so I can show what I'm gonna do? Any one of my assistants? So everyone, as you can see, I have my pot right here, and I'm gonna mix my ice cream. I'm gonna mix my ice cream mixture, which is really basic. It's basically just, it's not basically, it is just cream and condensed milk. And that's my mixture, and this is like the basic mixture. I'm gonna make all of the ice cream, except the cat's ice cream, of course. I'm not gonna use cream or condensed milk. I'm gonna use cat's milk, don't worry about that. So let's mix it. Oh, it is my phone. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. That was my southern accent.
Oh my god, they're gonna be so offended.
Oh, really? So we need 480 grams of cream and 300 grams of condensed milk. Sounds like great ice cream. And now we're just gonna... Da ist ein blauer Faden drin. And now we're just gonna... snow broom it. Is that a snow broom? This you call Schneebesen in German, which basically means snow broom. Why the fuck do we call this? Stir, stir, stir. Ooh, the sound. This is literally our basic mixture, which we're gonna use for all of the ice cream, which is a little sad, to be honest. So now, listen, guys.
That was so dramatic.
Yeah, I know. Listen, I bought a super cheap ice cream grill on Amazon. Hashtag no ad. Actually, I've read a lot of bad reviews, but I was like, maybe I'm just born to make ice cream. So I bought it anyway. I demand my ice cream grill. Taco, bring me my ice cream grill. Thank you, Taco. So nice of you. Thank you so much. So this is my so-called ice cream grill, and I actually got instructions on how to use it. And now, wait, let me read. Oh, by the way, I had to put this in the freezer for like 24 hours, so it's cold enough. I bought cranberries. So I bought raspberries and blueberries. The instructions told me I'm gonna put the ingredients on there. So now I'm gonna pour some of the mixture on top, and I'm gonna hope that it's gonna freeze. Is that enough? And now I'm gonna do the thing which all of the people did in the... It's doing something! I'm just... trying to...
It's freezing, bitch!
It is freezing!
This is amazing. You're doing fantastic. You're such an ice cream maker. Wow, you're a professional. This is... Wow.
Yes, now you got it.
Wow, it already looks like something I never want to eat in my life.
Nice. That's better than everything I've done before.
That looks like an arts and craft project.
Thanks.
I love how concentrated you are.
So who wants this? Giveaway. Honestly, guys, let's fucking roll.
Doesn't look like a roll.
You don't look like a roll. So it doesn't look like a roll, but we're not gonna judge. Who needs rolls anyway? I have enough rolls on my belly. I think it's just too frozen, honestly. Guys, we're gonna practice. We're gonna fix this because we all know at the beginning of a cooking or making video, I'm just not the best at it. But I'm getting there, you know? So who wants ice cream? Let me try. I kind of really like the consistency. That was my first try, which wasn't good. I think I just shouldn't wait that long. What are you doing? You're eating my ice cream. That's true love or true desperation. All right, guys, now we're gonna do a sweeter version with cookies and Oreos, which are also cookies. Let's do a Prinzenrolle, which means prince roll. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. These are mini prince rolls. Okay, so we crumbled the cookies on here. Oh my god, it looks so messy. Can we just clean this up? What was that?
Taco!
I put the cookies right here and I'm gonna put the batter on top again. That's amazing. I'm so concentrated. I feel like this is not doing anything anymore. Maybe I just had like one try.
Let me do my amazing close-up shot.
And now it's just not freezing as quickly as before, so we're gonna have to wait. And I feel like it's too thick as well. Oh, that looks like my poo-poo on bad days. But I feel like I kind of missed the point where it freezes. Let's do this. Oh, it looks good from this side though. This one kind of rolled a little bit, guys.
You're doing amazing.
Oh yeah, it just looks like normal ice cream.
It kind of does, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's yummy. So because it's like not completely super hard frozen, it actually makes it really good. You're just gonna eat this ice cream. What do you want? This video is over. Let's clean this up and make some cat ice cream, shall we? I just cleaned this grill, which honestly, why is it called grill? This doesn't make any sense to me because grilling is like the opposite of making ice cream, right? We have this junior pastry. Junior because Chili is still very small. Actually, Taco is just 2 months older, so they are still juniors. Did I say pastry? I meant pate or pasty. I'm gonna put this on there. So I got cat's milk, I got some pate, some chicken pate, and I'm just gonna put it right on here. I'm gonna put this on top. Not too much because I just had way too much. Ooh, that looks yum. It's not like in its best freezing condition anymore. So we need to let it rest a little bit. Maybe we're gonna have to wait here for a couple of hours. It's a mess here. This is definitely how it should work, right? Alright guys, I don't think it will get any more ice creamy than this. So now I'm gonna add my secret potion. And this is just like some special cat cream, you know, which helps them digest. Oh yeah.
Frosting doodle on my strudel.
Ooh, actually it's frozen, guys. Ooh, that looks really yummy for cats, to be honest. That looks amazing. It actually smells kind of good. Am I a freak for thinking that cat food smells kind of good? Like, I would not eat it, but it always smells just like it would actually taste good. Tell me in the comments down below if you think pet food also smells good and you kind of want to eat it, but you also kind of don't want to eat it because you know it's disgusting, but it really smells good and it just brings back all your childhood memories when you watch your grandparents' dog eat their food and you prepared it and you know what I'm saying? I feel you. This is amazing food. I have my beautiful taco bowl right here. I have my beautiful cat ice cream rolls. Ew, it's already melting. We need to hurry up. Taco, look, it's ice cream. Yum. He likes. Come here. Someone likes it. They love it so much. Taco has it on his face. Oh, on his nose. Guys, aren't you amazed with my amazing ice cream rolls? Taco's eating the spoon. Ooh. Oh, my boy's going straight for the bowl. me. Okay, so they're just busy cleaning themselves right now. Honestly, I think I'm just not made for making ice cream rolls. I think it could have gone worse because it was very freezing from the beginning, but also only at the beginning. And then it just started not freezing things anymore. You have to freeze it 24 hours. Then you can make one ice cream, which is mediocre and not even rolly. And then you'll have to freeze it 24 hours again. Maybe it's just me. Maybe this thing is also just trash.
I'm not disappointed at all. The ice cream was amazing.
You didn't try it.
What?
Vincent! It was okay.
On some days, okay is the best you can do, and sometimes the best you can do is the best you can do, and it's great.
Somehow I feel really empowered right now.
The world is your oyster.
If you have any advice on how to actually make this work or make this better without buying like a 10,000 euros ice cream freezer, tell me in the comments down below. I think that's actually it for today. Yeah, this whole place is a mess right now. Everything is just full of milk.
Don't worry, it'll be clean in no time.
Why are you so motivating right now?
Because I'm not motivated at all, but I want to be for you.
Oh, that's so nice. Honestly, I feel like a lot of motivational speakers might actually not be motivated at all, but they're just for other people, you know? Conspiracy. I feel like that's also easier, motivating other people than yourself, because
you don't actually have to do anything.
yeah, you're just talking about it. That was amazing. By the way, do you want to show what you're wearing today, Vincent?
Oh, just casually. I woke up today and I just put on this shirt I found
Where did you find it?
in the trash. Oh, you can barely see the UN.
Yeah, I'm going to zoom in right now.
Shop now.
Yeah, Taco. Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
That was such a...
Okay guys, I'm gonna say goodbye with my cats. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram,
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat,
and the Naomijon on
Twitter.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Das Video ist aber